Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Relume library in Figma. To begin, ensure you have the Relume library enabled in your Figma file. You can find it within the Assets panel on the left side of your screen. Simply drag and drop any of the over 1,000 pre-built components directly onto your canvas to start building your designs quickly and efficiently. This foundational step saves you countless hours. Once you have a component on your canvas, customizing it is straightforward. Select the component and use the Properties panel on the right to modify colors, typography, and layout. Relume offers hundreds of variants for each component, allowing you to switch between different styles and states with just a few clicks. This flexibility ensures your designs perfectly match your brand's aesthetic. Building complete pages with Relume is incredibly efficient. Start by dragging several sections onto your canvas, then arrange them to form your desired layout. Utilize Figma's auto layout feature to ensure your designs are responsive and adapt seamlessly across various screen sizes. You can easily override text and image content within instances, maintaining the core component structure while personalizing your pages. To maximize your efficiency with Relume, always strive for design consistency. Create a style guide within your Figma file to ensure all team members use the same colors, fonts, and spacing. Keep your layers and frames well organized with clear naming conventions. Remember to update your Relume library periodically to access new components and improvements, ensuring your workflow remains cutting-edge and productive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.